Good morning, brothers. I hope you're having a good day, and as usual, it's always a good day to trade. So, without further ado, let's begin. Well, we have a wonderful last week, and hoping this week would be as wonderful as that. So, as you could see, the market has been open around 9:15, and it has opened a bit gap down. But it's okay. We are hoping it will just get back a retracement, and then we would jump in for buying. Well, as you could see, as hope the market is got good pace and it's now moving up. We missed the buying opportunity because it doesn't fit in our setup, but it's okay. It has crossed now 21 period moving average and it's really at its pivot. So there is chance that it might reverse from here or it might hold and then go up. And we are hoping for a bullish market this entire week because as you could see in Banknifty, it was at its support and it was at its previous highest resistance and it has taken its support and now we are hoping it would give a really good rally. So let's wait, see how does this go. Well, as expected, the market is holding that level and it's just about to break it and we are just going to get a buying opportunity. Well, if you see a Nifty spot chart, you could see the where the market is holding. It is its previous day resistance or previous day highs, which is causing it a resistance. Once it broke, it's really good chance that market would rally here till R1 easily. So that's really 200, 300 points move. But we are going to roughly take 150, 150, 125 points at least from this thing. So we are hoping a really good bullish market. And let's wait and see. We are going to get buying opportunity right here. And we take this trade as soon as you could see the candle is going to break the high of the previous candle. But not in Bank Nifty, in Nifty's chart. So we are on a different screen. We are seeing Nifty chart as well. So let's see. It's really close. As you could see, the buyers are really pushing it high. You could see in volumes also the buyers are higher, and the sellers are less. So if it move from here, it's going to give a really good momentum. So let's just me take trade first, and then I will explain why I have taken this trade here and the entire logic behind the trading. So let's just make some momentum. And that's it. We have entered the trade. It's really we have entered at a really good point because the market is really going to shoot up from here. Target would be around this level and a stop loss would be below this 21 period moving average low, and we could trail it down above the bullish green candle that is forming now. And as expected, the market is moving quite fast. It's at pivot. Let's hope it break this pivot. There is a really good chance, probability that it would break this pivot and then it move up really fast. So based on that, this trade has been taken. So we would capture from one pivot to another pivot profit roughly. And as expected, you could see the pivot is breaking. It's breaking the pivot, and we could see a really upside move. And the target we are going to skip below that thing because if you analyze a Nifty chart and as well as Bank Nifty chart simultaneously, you could see there is a bit of resistance on Nifty chart. So there is really good chance after the movement it might hold up there. So we are going to enter at 72 and that would be all because there is a really good chance that it might come back for a retracement. But as you could see in the difference, if you have analyzed the chart, the difference between the Bank Nifty and the 21 period moving average is really high. So if it comes back down to support, there's really high chance that it might also take a stop loss and fall down further and then take support and then rise up. So you are not going to risk that much. 150 point is really good and we are happy with this. So currently the trade is around 143 and the risk in this thing is around 72 points. So it's It's easily 1:2 ratio trade, and we are hoping it would get achieved within, I think it would achieve within next candle. So let's wait and see. Well, if you're watching this video till now, don't forget to smash that like button, and you can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget to write down your comment down below. Because we upload these videos daily, and you could learn something from it from a new trader's perspective. Well, now for the reason. Now the reason number one, I have taken this trade because as you could see, it's about 21 period moving average. Reason number two, I have taken this trade. As you could see, it has broken. If you have analyzed Nifty chart, it has broken its previous day's high, and that's why. Reason number three, because the where it has been previous swing high, as you could see on S1, was the previous day low, and it has taken support in Banknifty, and that's why we have taken this trade. And reason number four, that as you could see, after breaking the 21 period moving average, it has retraced down a bit and then it's moving up. So we have not hurried itself, or you could say not run behind the market. We waited for the retracement to happen and then we have entered the market. So it is really good. And the reason number five, it has really good risk to reward ratio. That's it. We are hoping the market would get a really good bullish run this week. But as you could see, the retracement in this thing could potentially wipe down our entire profit and it could convert into a loss. That's why we are going to cut this trade half. But if you get a really good risk to reward ratio, you usually hold the trade from one pivot to the another, from pivot to R1 or pivot to S1, or R1 to R2 or S1 to S2, such thing. But in this thing, if it comes down to request, there's a really good chance it will take support at S1 20 period moving average, and you could see it as really low. So we are going to exit this trade around here. And as you could see, our target is that's it. Our target has been achieved, and we are out of the market. And we have easily covered around 143 points. So we are expecting the market to go up from here, but we might take trade another. If we take another trade, it would be in another retracement rather than taking trade at this much high or holding this right now. Well, and there is another second reason why we are cutting this trade short, because we want to start trading in crude oil, the commodity markets from today. So we do not want to make a big loss on the first day of the week. So that's why we are cutting this trade short. But you could definitely, we are going to observe this thing, that market would move as per our expectation. If it moves, it's really good. Our probability of direction or prediction was right, where the market would move, or otherwise we're going to learn something new from the market today. So patience in this thing, the patience is the key. So as you could see, from 9:15 we have waited for this trade to happen, and it was roughly around 30 minutes we have waited for this trade, and the trade was over in less than 10 minutes. So in such a things, you have to have patience in market. So if you have a patience, you will definitely going to succeed sooner or later in the stock market. And that's it for today's traders. Hope you are having a good day. Hope you are having a good trading day. Well, traders, hope you are having a really good day as well as a good trading day, which will turn into a really good trading week. You could follow us on Instagram and Facebook for the latest trade update for crude oil as well as Banknifty. So if you like this video, definitely share with your friends, subscribe, and press the bell notification to never miss any updates. Thank you for watching this video. Well, if you're interested in day trading, you could definitely click on our first link. It was the hell of week previous week, and you should definitely, I recommend you to watch this if you are new traders. And there is a second video below that, which was the biggest profit I have made in trading so far in this YouTube channel. So definitely watch both of these videos. You will learn a really lot.